The shift from the bustling city of Porto Alegre to the tranquil embrace of Canela marked a significant turning point for the family. Casa, designed by Studio Bloco Arquitetura, became the physical embodiment of this change, a haven crafted to reflect their desire for a slower, more connected life. From the street, the house presents a modest, almost single-story facade, its metal roof stretching protectively over the car shelter and back porch. The openwork slats of the car shelter offer a subtle counterpoint to the robust, exposed concrete volume that forms the core of the structure, hinting at the architectural ingenuity within. This initial impression, however, belies the true complexity of the design, a clever response to the challenging 4.5-meter slope of the terrain. Instead of a traditional layout, Casa unfolds in an unexpected vertical sequence. Access is gained on the upper floor, a realm dedicated to the family's private lives. Here, the entrance hall opens onto 4 suites, a guest suite, a children's suite, and finally, the master suite. Positioned at the rear of the house, the master suite commands the best views and enjoys optimal natural light. The journey from this upper level to the social spaces below is more than just a descent, it's an experience. A carefully designed internal vertical circulation, longer than a conventional staircase, transforms the passage into a walk amidst the treetops, a deliberate architectural choice that enhances both the aesthetic appeal and the functionality of the home. This clever strategy bathes the ground floor in natural light and facilitates cross-ventilation, creating a bright and airy environment. The heart of Casa lies on the ground floor, a harmonious blend of social spaces designed for connection and relaxation. The kitchen, dining room, and living room flow seamlessly into one another, with the option to integrate the adjacent TV room for larger gatherings. Extending this living space is a generous balcony, sheltered by the overhang of the upper floor. Here, the family can truly embrace the tranquility of their new surroundings, gazing out over the condominium's natural landscape and the shimmering lake beyond. The material palette further enhances this sense of serenity. Murasima stone coverings and exposed concrete are complemented by the warmth of natural wood flooring, which echoes the window frames and is repeated in the leather upholstery. Neutral tones throughout the interior allow the vibrant green of the surrounding landscape to take center stage, permeating the spaces through the large openings and blurring the lines between inside and out.